We're close. We'll probably run into them just a little up ahead.
Now then, this is where it all starts.
Right!
I'll go on ahead. Shikamaru, tell me who I'm looking for.
One of them carries a big scythe. He tends to lose his cool. But he's got a special jutsu that lets him transfer any damage he takes to his opponent.
Oh, that sounds fun.
It seems to take him a while to get it ready, though. It's not something he can use right away.
I see. What about the other one?
I don't know much about him, except he seems highly skilled at using jutsu.
So the bottom line is they're both gonna be tough to deal with.
Yeah, but we've got a shot if we can find their weakness. Everything in this world has a weakness.
True. All right then, shall we?
We're counting on you, Kakashi-sensei.
Doesn't hurt to show off once in a while.
Mission start.
Found them. The Akatsuki are just ahead.
We read them right then. Everyone, stick to the plan.
Wait, something's wrong here.
An attack! Then they knew we were following them?
No, their formation's wrong. I don't think they're with the Akatsuki.
All the same, we can't drag these guys along with us while we track the other two.
Kakashi-sensei, for now we should...
Right. We'll take care of these small fries before we make contact with the Akatsuki.
By the way, how's Naruto doing? Has he gotten better?
Well, there are still some rough spots, but in some ways, he may have surpassed me.
Wow. Is this the same Naruto?
How about that? Take that! How about that? Shadow Bukutsu! There it is! Water style! Water wall!
These guys are nothing. They're no match for us.
Too weak! Take that! Take that!
Come on, let's finish these guys off.
How about that? Too weak! How about that? There it is! Lightning blade!
Don't give it all you've got right away. You could end up paying for it later.
Lightning blade! Take that! How about that? Too weak! How about that?
If these guys were barbecue, it'd be all you can eat.
How about that? Prepare yourself. Mangekyo Sharingan! Divine Breath!
Don't give it all you've got right away. You could end up paying for it later.
Take that! How about that? Too weak! How about that? Prepare yourself!
These guys are nothing. They're no match for us.
Take that! How about that? Too weak! Take that! about that? Too weak. How about that?
They're not half bad. Asuma taught them well.
If these guys were barbecue, it'd be all you can eat.
Lightning blade.
Asuma, watch this.
How about that? Lightning blade. Prepare yourself. Mangekyo Sharingan. Divine breath.
Come on, let's finish these guys off.
We've destroyed all their points of origin.
Leave it to Kakashi Sensei.
There it is.
Hey, they're totally pathetic. I wouldn't even call these guys a snack.
We've fallen a bit behind, but we should run into the enemy soon.
Now for the main event. I need you all to give it everything you've got.
Come on, let's finish these guys off.
Well, well. Gluttons for punishment.
What did I tell you? We didn't need to use any cheap tricks.
Here we go. Everyone, keep your guard up.
Right.
Taking a brat from before, aren't you? I get it. Out for revenge, huh?
I figure defeating you will help Asuma rest in peace.
All right, let's finish this now.
That's the plan. Yes.
Prepare yourself.
Kakashi Hatake. A worthy opponent.
But if you concentrate only on me, you'll get hit from behind.
Mangekyo Sharingan. Divine breath. Prepare yourself. Mangekyo Sharingan. Divine breath.
These guys, they're way past ninja level.
You jerks! That hurts, you know!
How about that? Too weak. How about that? Lightning blade. There it is.
They're tough, but no opponent is unbeatable.
Wind style. Water style. Water wall.
Just you wait. I'm gonna show you what defeat tastes like.
How about that? Too weak.
Don't get cocky, little punks.
Lightning blade.
It's been a long time.
So you're immortal too, you monster. This one's gonna be hard to handle.
Give up. I have your landing spot.
Drop down. How about that? Too weak. Water style. Water wall.
These guys, they're way past ninja level.
How about that? Too weak. Water style. Water wall. How about that? Too weak.
You were no match for me.
Take that! How about that? Too weak!
Don't think you've won.
Man, is he stubborn.
Mission complete.
We did it, Kakashi-sensei!
They were tough, but we managed.
Ouch. Man. Hey, you're pretty good, aren't they, Kakuzu?
Yes, they surprised me a bit.
Whoa! No way! But we beat them!
You can't defeat us.
Don't underestimate us, the immortal duo.
Looks like it'll take more than a lethal wound or two to finish these guys off. On top of that, they've got a lot of experience as a team. That's a problem too. Meaning, we'll have to... Kakashi-sensei, let's take them on separately this time.
Divide and conquer, huh?
I'll take one of them. I'll let Kakashi-sensei and you two take the other.
Huh? Divide and conquer? Never gonna work. You seriously think you'll beat us that way?
I'll take the noisy one. He looks weak anyway. I could take him myself.
What? What was that, you little... Who looks weak?
You. The guy I'm talking to. Little dogs bark the loudest.
Why, you...
Heh.
Hold up, you! I'm gonna crush you!
Great.
Ha! What's so great? Separating me and Kakuzu? Big deal.
There's no one to come and help you.
Like I'll need it. I'll be able to finish you off and still have room for dessert.
Kakashi-sensei, Choji, Ino, take care of the other guy. I'll take this guy down even if it kills me.
Honestly, what an idiot. He lets the cheapest taunts get to him.
We're lucky he's so easily manipulated.
But you people are the real idiots for taking Hidan too lightly. In a way, though, the brat made the right call. Separate me and Hidan, then attack me as a group. It was a good strategy, I'll give you that. I'm strong, you see.
Your confidence is impressive.
Your headbands. They remind me of the very first Leaf Ninja I fought. The first Hokage.
The first Hokage? Huh? Just how old is this guy anyway?
So you really are immortal?
No, not strictly speaking. I can store up to 5 hearts. Unless all 5 are destroyed, I can't be defeated. Do you know why I'm telling you this? Because it's interesting, and it's not as though it will help you any. There's an inevitable, overwhelming difference between your power and mine.
What should we do?
All right. Had enough? I have. I'll be taking your lives now.